How to analyze all duplicate entries in this Pandas DataFrame? I'd like to be able to compute descriptive statistics on data in a Pandas DataFrame, but I only care about duplicated entries. For example, let's say I have the DataFrame created by As you can see, rows 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 7 are all duplicates, using key 1 and key 2. However, if I index this data frame like so, I get, i.e., the first and second rows do not show up because they are not indexed to true by the duplicated method. That is my first problem. My second problem deals with how to extract the descriptive statistics from this information. Forgetting the missing duplicate for the moment, let's say I want to compute the min and max for the duplicate entries, so that I can get a range. I can use group V and these methods on the group V object like so, which gives the data I want is obviously here, but what's the best way for me to extract it? How do I index the resulting object to get what I want, which is the key 1, key 2, data info?
Edit for Pandas 0.17 or later. As the take_last argument of the duplicated method was deprecated in favor of the new keep argument since Pandas 0.17, please refer to this answer for the correct approach. Invoke the duplicated method with keep equals false, i.e., frame.duplicated key 1, key 2, keep equals false. Therefore, in order to extract the required data for this specific question, the following suffices. Interestingly enough, this change in Pandas 0, the 17th of May, be partially attributed to this question, as referred to in this issue. For versions preceding Pandas 0.17, we can play with the take_last argument of the duplicated method. Take_last, boolean, default false for a set of distinct duplicate rows, flag all but the last row is duplicated. Default is for all but the first row to be flagged. If we set take_last value to true, we flag all but the last duplicate row. Combining this along with its default value of false, which flags all but the first duplicate row, allows us to flag all duplicated rows. Now we just need to use the group P and min methods, and I believe the output is in the required format.
To get a list of all the duplicated entries with Pandas version 0.17, you can simply set keep equals false in the duplicated function.
Here's one possible solution to return all duplicated values in the two columns, i.e. rows 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. Edit. Actually, the df.duplicated take_last equals true. df.duplicated method init Yoel's answer is neater. To query the results of your group B operation, you can use log. For example, Alternatively, turn grouped back into a normal-looking data frame by resetting both indexes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.